Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 2012 Bentley Continental Edition. Beautiful car, real nice car for a real nice guy, and it's got some issues. So this car came from California, and if you look down my board there, you can see there's some previous paintless dent repair done. And let me see if I can get a good angle on that. And that, to me, looks sketchy. That's what we call poor prior. There's another little dent behind it if you see right there. And then if we go back even farther, I think there's a dent right about here. There's a little one down here, which you can see if I get my finger on it right there. Now let's zoom back out. Take a look at the rest. I think there's a little chip in the paint that was some damage. And then down here we've got a couple of dents to do. A couple little ones to do. Don't have wifey here today, so pray for her because she's a little bit sick. And I do want to show you this other dent right here. I don't know if we're going to make a video of this one because it's all wonky and I'm moving it around. But then there's this last one that we want to take care of. Not this last one, actually. We're doing a few dents on this car. It's a little crease. And that was most likely caused from a door. Goes right through that panel. And then the last one, but initially the first one, the one that we were called here for, is this dent right here. You guys see that one? Boom. Front end of aluminum bumper. That is the, not a bumper actually, that is the panel. So if you see that dent and then we follow that panel all the way up, this is the panel. So it's not the bumper, it's actually the way that Bentley makes their cars. Beautiful car. I'm gonna come back to you maybe a little bit midway through, but other than that, I'll come back and show you the end result in just a bit. Okay guys, we are back. I made some glue pulls on this front fender, or on this front, yeah, I guess it is a fender. It looks like a bumper. It's got a tiny little bit left. I'm gonna make another glue pull right there. You can see it's got a little reflection of a tiny little bit left. I'd say, you know, 10, 15% left. What we ended up with, let's give you some natural light reflection on this, is cleaning. I still have a couple of like smudge marks and face marks and stuff, but cleaning up that person's stuff that was right up here. You can still see a tiny little wave there. I didn't have the access that I needed. I don't know how he got there, but kind of butchered it up. There was another little dent right here where this scuff is, and we got it out, but that scuff is actually in the clear. There was a couple more dents up on the top edge. Let's just run it. Ooh, there's a tiny little one right there. Okay, I think we're gonna give that one another glue pull. And then this large one down here on the bottom crease, let's see if we can run a line through it. Yeah, that's pretty straight. It was right about here, and that one came out really nice. So now, what I just found was this dent right here. Bling. Kind of tough to see, it's white, but it's right there, and I'm gonna try to access it through the window right here. This is laminated dual pane glass that is very easily breakable, and that's really not an option. We don't want to break into glass, so I'm gonna see if I find a access port in there, and if not, I thought there was another little dent right around here somewhere. There it is. We just saw it right there. Blink, blink. There it is. That little guy right there. So yeah, we'll get that one out too. Sure appreciate everybody that clicks on the sub button and clicks on the like button and is stuck with me through this shaky video. But we're getting this car looking good, and yeah, I think this is my first Bentley. Worked on a couple of Rollses, but this is my first Bentley. So we will come back and show you guys the end result in just a bit. Guys, we're back. I'm gonna do this one in natural light and show you there's the end result on the bumper dent. It was right here. If we get an angle on it, there's a tiny bit left. Has a little reflection. Let's go back to this one. Right here. Let's run that line. It was right there. Run that line through. Could not access it with my tools, so I used the glue pulling system. This body looks pretty darn straight. There was a little tiny dent there. Now let's come back around and show you the one that was right here. Let's run that line through it. Very nice. Came through very nice. And then these guys in the rear quarter, I'd say there was one right here, tiny little residual left, if we can get the angle. One right here. Say there's a 3 or 4% residual left there. And then this was that that work that I fixed. It was somebody else's work. It was right there. So we did what we could for it. We tapped down all of his pushes, straightened it up, got it looking nice again, the way that a Bentley should look. So guys, if you guys don't mind, hit us up with a like and hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified every time content comes out if you hit the notifications bell. Other than that, I will just say the thing. This has been PDR and I'm out. Peace.